Transform your floors to shine like new without a drop of chemicals. Here's the secret ingredient. Don't forget to let us know what works for you in the comment section, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Maintaining clean floors at home is an essential part of cleaning that cannot be overlooked. However, it's possible to achieve spotless results without the use of chemicals or commercial cleaning agents. You'll be surprised. Many people resort to expensive store-bought chemicals for floor cleaning, thinking it's the only way to achieve optimal results. While these products effectively clean and kill bacteria, they may not be entirely safe. Discover the effectiveness of readily available household ingredients that work just as well, if not better, than store-bought alternatives. What's the secret? Let's dive into the details. Homemade floor cleaning solution. To make your home floors sparkle with cleanliness and eliminate every trace of harmful microbes or viruses, all you need to add to your cleaning water are these ingredients. Vinegar, known for its cleaning properties. Salt, a common household item. Favorite essential oils, adds a pleasant fragrance. Advantages of these homemade ingredients and how to use them. Vinegar for clean floors. While pure acetic acid has a sharp and unpleasant odor, a vinegar solution can be used on various floors like tiles, linoleum, or vinyl. A vinegar solution effectively cleans, removes dust, adds shine, and disinfects. Mix 200 milliliters of vinegar with 4 ml of water. Opt for apple cider vinegar for a milder scent, suitable for any floor in your home. Salt for high efficiency and hypoallergenic cleaning. A saltwater solution, 1 tablespoon of kitchen salt per 10 liters of water, is excellent for all types of floor coverings. Saltwater not only cleans effectively but also possesses antiseptic properties. It is hypoallergenic and versatile, making it an almost cost-free solution. Essential oils for a pleasant finish. Fragrant oils add a pleasing aroma to your cleaning solution. Add 10 drops of essential oil, mint, lemon, tea tree, lavender, or vanilla, to 4 ml of water. Ensure no household member is allergic to the chosen fragrance. Less frequent floor cleaning. For less frequent cleaning, create a protective film using the following mixture. Water, 250 milliliters. Vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons. Vinegar, 2 tablespoons. Essential oil, 2 to 3 drops, optional. Final tips. Avoid frequent floor washing. Treat already cleaned and dried floors with the protective mixture using a spray bottle. Spray on the floor, then wipe it dry with a cloth. The protective film repels dust and dirt for 4 to 5 days. Discover the power of these simple ingredients, and let us know what works in your household. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fantastic tips.